Why are public data breach disclosures ethically complex? Imagine discovering that your personal information has been exposed in a data breach. Now think about how organizations decide when and what to tell the public about it. That's where the tricky part begins. When companies experience a data breach, they face a tough balancing act. They must follow legal rules that vary from place to place, which makes things complicated. For example, in the United States, each of the 50 states has its own laws about how quickly and what kind of information must be shared after a breach. Some states requiring notification within 30 days of discovering the breach, but others have different timelines and rules. Beyond legal rules, ethical principles come into play. Organizations want to be open and honest about what happened, but revealing too much too soon might cause panic or give attackers ideas on how to exploit vulnerabilities. They also need to accept responsibility for security failures, but admitting fault can lead to legal trouble or damage their reputation. Fairness is another concern. Some people are more vulnerable than others, and organizations must decide how to treat all affected parties equally. Protecting individuals from identity theft or fraud is a priority, but sometimes full details aren't available immediately, making quick disclosures difficult. Timing is another big issue. Should a company tell the public right away to prevent further harm, or wait until they fully understand the breach? Early disclosure might stop more damage but could also cause unnecessary alarm or reveal weaknesses to hackers. Waiting too long risks breaking the law and losing trust. From a technology law perspective, artificial intelligence and automated systems add more layers of complexity. These systems process large amounts of personal data, which increases the scope of potential breaches. Laws like the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe requiring organizations to be responsible and minimize data collection. Using AI ethically means making sure automated decisions don't worsen harm or unfairness during breach responses. In cybersecurity, responsible disclosure means notifying affected individuals and regulators before making public announcements. This allows organizations to take steps to reduce harm. But the lack of clear federal standards about what constitutes a material breach or when to disclose creates uncertainty. Companies must develop response plans that follow legal rules and ethical principles. These plans should include clear communication strategies that give accurate and timely information to everyone involved. Regular updates and transparency reports help maintain trust. Organizations also need to invest in strong security measures and ethical AI governance to lower the chances of breaches happening in the first place. In the end, public data breach disclosures are ethically complex because they involve balancing legal requirements, transparency, harm prevention, and fairness. As technology and laws evolve, it's important to combine ethical principles with legal standards to protect individual rights and keep public trust in digital systems intact.